Hey guys, welcome to JPT. I'm Carson G and this is Just Plain Tech. In today's video, we are going to show you Slackware users how to install SMTube on your computer. You'll probably need it if it's like an old computer like this one, because if you could just use the website, you're probably already doing that. It's a little bit of a hassle to get SMTube working, but we're going to install it on Slackware, and then after that I have another video you can watch to add a personal API key if you end up needing to do that, depending on, just if your computer spits out an error or not. But let's go do it. On your Slackware desktop, you're going to want to open SBOUI. If you don't have it, you can go up to this video right here and that will show you how to install SBOUI. Anyway, we're going to type in YouTube-DL. It should be right here, and we will just install it. Alright, once that's done, as you can see, we have it installed right here. We're just going to search, oh, by the way, search is dash right there. And now we're going to type in SMTube. Alright, we'll go right here, and then we'll just install it. And there we go. So now SMTube is installed and we're done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you didn't have any problem, then good for you. If it did spit out an error saying that it needs a personal API key, feel free to use the Just Plain Tech API key down in the description. But that's shared with all the other Just Plain Tech users that decide to use it. So if you really want a personal one, watch this video up here, which will show you exactly how to make your personal API key that you can use with SMTube. But hopefully that works. However, if you're still having problems after that, just let me know in the comments down below, and see you next time.